the world's most widely used insecticide has been linked to a global decline in songbirds. Researchers say neonicotinoids, which have also been shown to harm bees, can cause migrating birds to suffer dramatic weight loss and lose their sense of direction. The team say eating just 3 or 4 seeds a day treated with the chemicals caused problems. The pesticides, known as neonicotinoids or neo-nics, are meant to kill insects that eat crops. The European Commission proposed a ban on 3 neonicotinoids on flowering crops such as oilseed rape in 2013 because of the threat to bee health. The UK had originally opposed the ban. These chemicals are having a strong impact on songbirds. We are seeing significant weight loss and the bird's migratory orientation being significantly altered, said Margaret Eng at the University of Saskatchewan in Canada, a post-doctoral fellow who also worked with colleagues from York University on the research. Effects were seen from eating the equivalent of just 3 to 4 imidacloprid treated canola seeds or 8 chlorpyrifos granules a day for 3 days. The research is the first study to show that imidacloprid, neonicotinoid, and chlorpyrifos, organophosphate, 2 of the most widely used insecticides worldwide, are directly toxic to seed-eating songbirds. The paper, published in Scientific Reports, shows these chemicals can directly affect songbird migration. Lab experiments showed that the neonicotinoids changed not only the bird's migratory orientation, but the birds also lost up to 25% of their fat stores and body mass, both of which are detrimental to how a bird successfully migrates. The migration trials also showed that birds completely failed to orient or changed their northward orientation. Many small migratory songbirds use agricultural land as a stopover to refuel on long flights. These neurotoxic insecticides are widely used in North America, but their effects on migratory ability in birds have not been tested before, said York U biology researcher Bridget Stutchberry. We take the safety and environmental impact of our products seriously.